Hey everyone, welcome to today's live. Warmest welcome to my grandma's retired women warriors and retirees out there looking to just listen to some information. It's Donna here from beautiful Northern Rivers of New South Wales, Australia. I'm your super nan with Retirement Solutions. And please like and follow my page. I would love that. Where you get all the up-to-date tips and tricks on retirement solutions for you. And I've said before, I have a number of different variations in what's there. So there is something that will work for your budget, which is pretty great. So I'm just going to put this up so it's nice and quiet. And let's get started today. So I want to address something that I know so many people have, it's like the elephant in the room, let's say, and the challenges that you might face and how to stay motivated. I mean, this is something that I know everybody goes through, regardless of what level they're at and where they're up to. So let's talk about some of those common challenges and the solutions that we've got for you. So I hear often fear of technology. Well, it's not really a problem because our system is designed for beginners just like you. We offer plenty of support to help you go through that. And I know for myself, when I first started hearing about digital marketing, I thought, oh, that's not for me. It sounds really technical. It sounds hard. I don't have the knowledge to be able to set everything up. But you know what? There's none of that. This is the easiest thing I've ever done, and I am not tech savvy at all. So I really wanted you to know that as well. And then the second one might be that you have doubt in your abilities to do things. So remember, your life experiences are really valuable and you have wisdom to share. For years after my experience in a domestic violence marriage, I had nothing but doubts on my own self-worth. I doubted everything I was doing. I didn't think it was good enough for other people to hear. But your story is valuable and somebody needs to hear it so that they can move forward. So whatever that is, whoever that is, it is something that you can share that will resonate with your audience. And thirdly, inconsistency. Well, start small and be consistent. That's how your confidence will grow. And don't get overwhelmed by trying to do it all. Gosh, when I did this to start with, I thought I needed to have it all. I thought I needed to know it all. And really, that just put me in a place of overwhelm, stress, had no confidence in what I was doing. And I started to beat myself up. And so it's really important that you understand that feeling, it's not a nice feeling. And we don't expect you to try it all and get through it all at the beginning. And even just, and that was even just a few months ago. And then I started to think about it and how I could do it. And I thought it's just one step at a time. We have the step-by-step guide. So why did I think I had to do it all at once? Well, now I've got my 2-hour day down pat. I know what I have to do. I know when I have to do it. Yes, I have to move that around some days depending on what the schedule is, but all you have to do is just learn one thing and get good at it and then step into the next thing. And that's all it is. And don't forget, I'm here to help you all the way through, every step of the way. So staying motivated would be another thing that we need to look at. the first thing is the challenges, and the next thing is staying motivated. So it doesn't matter where you are or what you're doing or what level you're at. Every win is a win, and it deserves to be celebrated. Even the smallest of things, even if it's just sending an email, if it's a new lead that you get, if it's a sale that you've made, they are all victories and they deserve your celebration. Why? Because the continuing celebration of these small wins will actually develop a really positive vibration, and that will start to lift you and raise your confidence. And then guess what? Then everything else just falls into place. And so the second thing is about connecting with the community that is there to support you. And they will raise you up with every one of your small wins, big, small, or indifferent. Share your journey in there, and you will learn from other people in there. They will support you, and they will also share their journey. So that is something that's very dear to part of the 2-hour workday, is engaging with those people. They're more than happy to help you, with any questions. Wherever you are in the world, somebody is always up and looking at what's going on. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're a seasoned digital marketer, it doesn't matter. Everybody's there to help. And keep the reason why you started in mind. Like, why do you do anything? Why do you get out of bed in the morning? Whether it's financial freedom, or whether it's leaving that legacy or continuing to build on that legacy, let it drive you. Don't let it hold you back. I remember when my health took a turn for the worse and I had to leave my job, and I had no idea how we would get through. And, it was at the age of 63, and I wasn't going to really ever get another job very easily, no matter how qualified I was. And then the Legacy Builder program presented itself right there in front of me. Do you seriously want to have to look for a job at the age of 60 or 70 years of age? You can do this in just 2 hours a day. Don't exchange time for money. Do this, build on your legacy, build your empire so that your family can really, so you can support them, not just emotionally, but financially as well. And know that you have the ability to be able to maybe pay for their tuition or buy their grandkids their first car at age 18, or whatever it might be that you really want to do. Take them on a dream vacation. What is it that you really want to be able to give them? And, you can do it, like I said, in 2 hours a day when you follow the blueprint. So remember, every successful grandma in our program started where you are now. I started there thinking, sitting on the fence. I knew it was great, but did I have enough faith that it was going to work? Well, yes, it works. The sales come, the leads come, everything just happens. So tomorrow in our session, I want to talk about scaling your business and truly securing your family's future. And forget about those doubts and fears. Just ask for help. I'm here to help you. If you want to take that first step, it's here. You're almost there. You're almost ready. But now is the time. If you're ready to learn how to use our blueprint and create your legacy, comment blueprint below. And I'd love to see you on my page. Like and follow. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.